Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. This video we're showing you how you can use Roblox outfit codes. So Roblox outfit codes are really helpful. If you wanna remember something, not through the name, but by just the codes, you can just save the codes rather than just typing the last names, am I right? Alright, so for example, you have here the skull mask. If you head over to the URL bar, you'll see these numbers here, which you can copy if you want to save it later on, and then you find it out because you don't know the name. You can just head over back to Roblox catalog, just leave the catalog on and just type / and then just paste the rest, and you will see that it will send you immediately to the page of where this skull mask is, and it works as well for every other thing. That's it. That's how you can use outfit codes on Roblox. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, share if you did. This Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.